Top 6 birds with weird sound. Number 1. Showbill. Showbill is a very large bird, standing 110 to 140 cm tall. Number 2. Loon. Number 3. Australian bustard. Number 4. Patu, the ghost bird. They have an amazing camouflage which they use during the day by perching upright on a tree to avoid predators. Number 5. Screaming piha, with a sound like a warning alarm. Number 6. Kookaburra.